All right, so today we're going to be talking about this 32-inch Element powered on TV, LCD 720, HDTV, not 1080, it's still HD, and it has a digital tuner. And the best thing is I bought this on Amazon for $88. How you can beat that? But it's refurbished. I mean, something went wrong with this display. They send it back to the manufacturer, they fix it, they send it back to whatever, Amazon, and they sell it now for 88 bucks. How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and yes, $88 TV. Now, actually, when I got this TV, it was $88, and I see that went all the way down to $78. So I will say fluctuate between $70 and $90. Depends when you get it. Now, what is good for? I mean, I was just looking for something real cheap. Why? Because I'm going to be using this as a second display. I'll be using this as a monitor. Whatever, when I look at the camera, right in the back wall will be the same thing. Like I can see myself talking in the camera. But this will be good for kids' room, maybe a TV in the basement. I don't know, because it's real cheap. So we wondered if it's worth $88, so maybe it's just worth it buy a $200 TV. So let's test it. Let's see what we get. We're gonna open, let's review everything, then plug it in and see, and if it's worth the $88. I would think so. I mean, you cannot beat $88. Anyways, if you guys are interested to get this TV, I will leave you the link right below this video. So I already opened the box. So let's bring the desk down and let's take the TV down. All right, so I want to show you something. You can see here, factory, refurbished. So let's say it's real light though, unbelievable. I think it only weighs maybe 2 pounds. I don't know. It makes you believe it will be real heavy, but when you take it out of the box, it's super light. So let's see. And I never threw the box away just in case something goes wrong. You can always return it on Amazon. All right, so let me change the camera so we can see better. All right, so there is no crack or anything. So before we remove the plastic, and it again does feel real light. So the power cord is part of the TV. It's not the ones you can remove. We can see here we can put the attachment hooked up in the wall. That's what I'm going to be using. So let's check some of the inputs. So 2 HDMI, VGA, audio N, I guess for the VGA, regular antenna, and USB, and also that one powered up 5 volts. So let's say you have a Fire Stick, you can power up your Fire Sticks from here, and you can put the outputs or the input right over here in the HDMI. So right at the bottom, so we get the power cord. There's no way to remove it. Headphones, digital out. This is a fiber optic, so you can output this right into your TV. Now, audio out, RCA left, right, and then we get the 3 green, blue, and red, and that will be 480, and then HDMI. Now, also controls, they're kind of weird. They're right in the side here, in the back. If we can look here, so we got power, volume, up, down, channels, and the menu. So it's right in the back, now in the front. So let's power it up and let's see how this thing works. Let's take a look now, some of the menus and the configuration. So when you have menu, that's what you see. And right over here, we can change the picture mode, so you can go standard, vivid. And we see some of the configuration in advanced mode. We see noise reduction, dynamic contrast, that's by default. So let's go back one more time, and we got the sound settings, and you can change the mode. Let's see, music. What else we got? Music, movie mode, sport, or you can change that. It is standard. If you want surround sound, let's return. Now the time settings, setup. You can see, 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 So now the HDMI CEC is nice because from here, let's say now I'm going to turn it on. So you can, when you turn your TV on, it can automatically turn your cable on, or vice versa, or depends what device to control on. That's a kind of nice thing too. That's it. And the here, let me see, voice. You press it here and it sounds like a robot. See, that remind me like. So every time you move on, it sounds like a robot. It will read exactly what you see on the screen. Let's turn that off. It sounds terrible. And sounds like Electric Dreams. Guys, remember that movie Electric Dreams? Exactly that way. All right. In the beginning. All right. Oh, let's go back to my main. And then the next one is the channel setup. Didn't work for me. I tried the auto scan cable and didn't detect anything. And I think it's a TV. Can I say this antenna? I got two antennas. Impossible the two antennas are damaged. Now let's go into the source mode, and I just plug out a USB with some pictures on it. So let's check now pictures. Press OK. This is a C drive, and I got these two shots here. Put that down. Yeah, looks good. So if you let all the pictures, will play automatically. So if you put a shape pics, a whole album will play it for you, as you see. So that's a nice thing. Now I just put also a small video. So let's see. Let's go back. Let's return and let's go to movie, C, and let's check that one. And supported format. Not sure what I got there. So in conclusion, if you want to play pictures with a thumb drive, it worked no problem. JPEGs. Now, when I tried to play some videos, they didn't play, and the instruction doesn't give you exactly what format. I just put in an MPEG, and I tried a few different ones, and they don't want to play the video. I mean, I will use that, no, but I would just want to try in case your idea is to try to use that too. Now, for the tuner, they didn't detect it. I have another TV. It does detect maybe like 20-30 channels. This one didn't want to detect none at all. So maybe it's antenna. So I put in a second antenna. No matter how many times I scan, 20 times, it will never detect even one channel. It's kind of weird. Maybe that was the problem from the beginning. This TV, it will not, and the tuner was not working. So as a TV, this particular TV, it will not work as that. Now, as a display, it's worked perfect. If you guys see it, I use it for my YouTube channel, and I see right in the front, so I use it as a monitor. It detected good resolution. It plays my window, and I use it as a display. It's perfect. So my main idea for the $82, $88, whatever I pay for this, is perfect because I use it through the HDMI output, through the video card, and I see myself there. That's it. If I want to use it as a TV, well, I'm sure I will return it now. Why I didn't want to return it? Because I really don't care, and I'm never going to use it as a TV, so it's perfect. I need to right away, and that's it. So if I have to give you a review, I can say that it's a bit because it didn't work as a TV, but at the same time, if you want to use it as a display, as a manual display, it works too. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's $82, $83. That's the perfect monitor / TV if it works. So that will be it. I mean, with this, we conclude the video. If you have any comment, let me know what you think. Maybe, you know, it's worth it for you, but just have in mind it's a refurbished TV, so it can in the end be a problem. Now, once again, if you bought this from Amazon, you can always return it, even if the TV is cracked. I see some reviews, people complain it's cracked. If it's cracked, guys, just return it, put it back. You don't need to pay a penny. You can return it right on Amazon and it's in a new one. My case, if the display didn't work as a TV, I can return it and try another one. But I didn't want to spend time because for me, as you see right now on the side of the screen, it's working perfect what I need right now. So guys, see you next time. Bye.